Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today I am making flavorful coconut ice cream or coconut kulfi. It will take no time to prepare this kulfi. It is such an easy process which I will be sharing with you, and the best part is that no cooking or gas stove is involved in the entire recipe. We will only be using few ingredients which are very commonly available at home. So let's quickly see how to prepare this cool, flavorful coconut flavored ice cream today. Friends, I have this fresh coconut with me. You can even use desiccated coconut if fresh coconut is not available in your area. But today we are making this kulfi using fresh coconut. So firstly you need to remove these, and after that we will take out coconut like this from the inside. Also, if there is water in coconut, do not discard that water. You can use that water to make kulfi as well. So after cutting this coconut piece, now we need to firstly remove this brown portion from the back side of the coconut because we want absolutely white kulfi. So what I'll do is, I'll just cut it into small piece, and then we need to peel out this brown portion. If you want, you can keep it, but then the color of the kulfi will not be absolutely white. So here we have simply removed the brown portion of coconut, and now we'll use this and we'll discard it. Next we'll take a mixer grinder jar into which we will cut small portions of this coconut because then it will be easier to grind it. I've just kept this piece aside because I want to add few coconut pieces in the kulfi itself. Into this we'll add little milk because then our grinding process will be easier. Again I'm repeating, if you do not have fresh coconut, then use 1 cup of desiccated coconut and grind it with milk. Even at this stage you can add the coconut water which comes from the fresh coconut. And now let's grind it. So after grinding, you can see the coconut will look like this. Because we have added milk here, so we are able to grind it perfectly. We'll keep this aside. Now in a bowl, we'll add 1 cup of milk. This is 1 cup of full cream milk. Full cream milk is always better to prepare kulfi because then the kulfi will turn out more creamier. However, you can even use toned milk as well. Then we'll add 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar here. You can adjust the sweetness as desired. And here I am adding 4 tablespoons of milk powder. Milk powder will make our kulfi even more creamier. So I would recommend that whenever you are making kulfi, do add milk powder in it. So we'll mix it well. Next we'll be adding 4 tablespoons of cream. Here I am using homemade cream which is Malai. However, you can even use fresh cream, the Amul cream which we use. Now we need to whisk it well. Just mix it vigorously until we get bubbles on the top. So here you can see bubbles on the top. After this stage, we'll add our crushed or grinded coconut mixture. Friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. So we'll add the complete quantity in it. This is a very simple recipe. No need to use gas stove or boil milk. Just simply combine everything together. And best part is that we are using all the ingredients which are easily available at home. And we'll combine it for the last time. So friends, this is our kulfi material ready. So friends, now in order to set the kulfis, I have these two types of kulfi molds with me. This one is the plastic kulfi mold with stick, and this one is the aluminium kulfi mold with this cap. You can use any kulfi mold which are available at home. We will fill each of these molds